In this video, I'll show you how to delete your resume from LinkedIn. If you have old resume versions saved on LinkedIn, it is a good idea to remove the ones you no longer want to use. LinkedIn says it stores up to 4 of your most recently uploaded resumes for job applications, and you can manage or delete them from the resume settings area. LinkedIn also notes that deleting a saved resume does not affect applications you already submitted. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to the Jobs section. From there, open Preferences, then go to Resumes and Application Data. In that section, LinkedIn lets you upload a new resume, review saved resumes, and remove the ones you no longer need. To delete one, find the resume you want to remove, click or tap the 3-dot or More Options icon next to it, and then choose Delete. That is the main path LinkedIn documents for managing uploaded resumes. This is useful if you have older versions with outdated job titles, old contact information, or formatting you no longer want recruiters to see. Cleaning up saved resumes can also make future Easy Apply applications faster because you will only keep the versions you actually want to reuse. LinkedIn confirms that these saved resumes are meant for future job applications through LinkedIn. There is one important detail to remember here. LinkedIn separates resumes saved for job applications from resumes added to your profile for sharing. LinkedIn says a resume uploaded to your profile is not the same as a resume used for job applications. So if you are trying to remove an application resume, make sure you are deleting it from resumes and application data and not looking only at your profile page. Another helpful thing to know is that if you uploaded a resume while applying for a job, LinkedIn may still have that file in your saved resume list for reuse later. Removing it from the Saved Resumes area will stop it from appearing there for future applications, but previously submitted job applications will stay unchanged. That's how to delete your resume from LinkedIn. Go to Jobs, open Preferences, manage your resumes in the Application Data section, and delete the version you no longer want saved. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.